Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to set the background picture in your CapCut video, or how to apply the background feature on your video. Come to the mobile, open your mobile, and then click on the CapCut application. Open it, and you can see here this is the main page of your CapCut application. Then select the one video. I want to select this one video. Click on it. Now I want to apply the background setting on this video. So click on the plus button. I want to add the picture on this project. Click on the photo option and then click on the background picture. Click on the add button. So you can see here. So click on the overlay. I want to below this background picture from the above video. I want to set this background picture below the above video. You can see here, equalize picture and background picture and your video. Equalize it to exchange and to shuffle the background picture and video. The background picture should be upper to the video. You can see here, the background picture should be upper to your video. On your video, you can see here, and minimize and maximize the background picture by your finger. You can see here, you can maximize your background picture. You can see here by your finger. Click on the animation. I want to apply animation on it. Which one animation? The below animation. I want to apply the below animation. You can see here, this one animation I want to apply on my video on the background picture. And then I want to also apply the out animation. Click on the out option and then select one animation. And then click on the export button. The exportation will start here. You can see, and you can easily send your video on the WhatsApp, YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. So in short, in this video I have explained to you how to apply the background setting on your video, or how to manage the background setting or the background picture on your video. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.